Hey everyone, here I have my Model 3 with the 18-inch Aero wheels that it comes with. I've had it for over 3 years, and these have been working out pretty well, these hubcaps that are on here. But the problem over time is that it seems like the plastic gets weaker or the attachments to the wheel get weaker. So as you're driving at slow speeds, you can hear the plastic making like crackling sounds and just noises that are pretty constant, and it seems like it's all the way around. So I decided to replace these, and the nice thing about the Aero wheels is that you can take this off. Takes a little bit up. There we go. So you can take this off, and then the wheel itself underneath is pretty nice. I like how that looks. So what I did is, on Amazon, I just bought these tiny caps here to cover the bolts here, like this, and then you can snap that on. So that's how quickly you can basically change the look of it. So now, this is nice. These are smaller. I've been driving with these already for a while, and they actually sound fine, like that you can't hear them. So that's an option that you have. If you get tired of your Aero wheels, you can put something small like this. I'll put a link down below as to where I bought those. And yeah, that's an option for you. All right. Hope that was helpful to someone out there. Definitely like and subscribe if you like this content. Catch you in the next one. Bye.